Hi guys, today I will teach you this amazing Georgian national dish. This is part of my training. You slowly, dish by dish, will learn how to cook professionally and nice. Okay, for this amazing dish we need this ingredient. First, if chicken thigh. Next one, onion, tomato, spring onion, garlic, walnuts, flour, and we use some spices. We decide first make our dish more yummy and more nicer, little bit upgrade. We will cut from chicken thigh bone out, and I will show you how to do that. Okay guys, because here in UK we have very hairy chicken skin, we should do something about that. We will burn it now. Look how we do that. Okay, now we will use this amazing spice because I like flavor like barbecue. Now we will fry on the pan this chicken. Oil is hot, and first we put skin down. Actually now it's time to turn. You see, it looks like very crispy and nice. We don't need fried 100% because later we will stew this chicken. Now we fry it on this side and put away and fry all chicken like that. Done. Chicken is fried. We already cut onion and tomato and spring onion, but spring onion we need on the end. And now we will fry onion and put little bit flour. After put chicken and tomato. Onion we fried together with garlic. Okay guys, now me replace my assistant because he should learn as well how to cook chicken. This amazing dish is not much left for him. His turn came here. Go over here!
So this is what we're going to do next. We're going to add the chicken, then the tomatoes, and then put some water on top so we can stew it. Now we're going to add the tomatoes. And then the walnuts. And now the water.
Okay guys, now it's life hack. Don't put too much water because we don't want to make soup. We don't want to boil. We want just stew. To stew you don't need much water. And stewing you need use a lid. Cover lid and on small fire stewing about I think half an hour will be enough. Actually need less, but we want to all juice from the chicken and from tomato mixed, as well walnuts. Later I show you one life hack about flour because we will do new way sauce. You will learn that in 1 minute.
Sure.
Okay guys, now it's 20 minutes later. Our chicken ready, and now I teach you special technique which one help you make sauce more nicer, and this is special technique because allowed you to make sauce different consistency any moment. And for that we need flour. We put 1 spoon of flour. We need for that fork, and we put a little bit water. As you see, we start mixing. We cannot put too much water because can become pieces or when you put little bit water, and usually when you use fork, you break it. Now we mix. You see it's pieces left, but these pieces will be on the bottom. We put little bit more water and mixing as well. Now all ready. Here is our chicken. And you can see sauce like water. We push it to the side and slowly start and now straight away we should on the small fire should mixing. And you see how it became almost straight away thick. Now we need to wait till sauce start boiling. Originally in this sauce not go milk. It should be made with chicken juice and water. Okay guys, one more important stuff about this sauce. For example, if you put 1 spoon of the flour and it's still after boiling sauce it's runny, you can make another spoon of the flours, mix with water and put extra. That provide you full control of consistency of the sauce. Guys, I can tell you, now I put little bit more flour and now you can see how should be consistent of the sauce. Our sauce almost ready. We just put some dill, put some salt, and mix it. Let's only serve plate and we can try this dish.
I am here today to try out this dish that we have made today. The chicken and potatoes are just so soft and yummy. You have to try this yourself. From now on, I'll be cooking it more often. So, tell us how this dish went for you. and tell us how it tasted.
Waiting you in the future videos.
Hopefully this turned out great for you, and we will see you in future videos.
See you, bye.
Bye.
Done?
Start.
Video 15. Hello guys, today I will teach you this amazing Georgian national dish.